Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for checking out another video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and follow us along. Today we're out in Waiparous. We're going to do trail number 95 and then see where that goes. I think it links up to Lost Knife and then might head to Margaret Lake, but make sure you follow along. Just the two Jeeps today, Jeremy and myself, just off the main road at the Trailhead, airing down. So normally we get some pretty good views up here, but between the fog and the smoke, can't see much. But yeah, take a look at this. Normally you can see big valley. Pull off to the right. So we just came down trail number 95. From this end it's trail number 88. So basically if you get on at the Lost Knife Trail, this is just an intersection here, and then from here we're gonna go down to the meadows and then head towards the, I guess, the river, and let you know the trail numbers once we get there. But yeah, it's been an awesome day so far. You guys having fun? Tank, why so serious? How about you, Mila? Once you get down to the meadow, there's a few different mud bog opportunities if you want to get muddy. It's fairly dry out this time, but kind of some fun if you want to get mud. If you want to get muddy, this is the spot. But yeah, not me, not today. We're gonna keep on going on the trail. So we're gonna head a right through the meadow, and then eventually here we'll get to a little bit of a couple gravel hills, and then yeah, we're gonna take a left and start making our way to Waiparous Valley Road. This fog is super cool. Hey Mila, where'd you go? Mila. Trying to get Mila. Yeah. I'm glad you came. I was trying to get a shot of Mila with the fog in the back. Looks pretty cool. Try not to hit cow patties, but look at that. Nasty.
Right on your handle.
So gross. right where we meet up with Waiparous Valley Road. Trail marker number 119 crosses this bridge. This is where a lot of people camp and everything. Not a bad view up the river. Coming this way off Waiparous Valley Road, trail marker 123. I'll show you on the map right above. It's a little windy, you might not be able to hear me, but we finished our day. We're just filling up our tires at the south staging area in Ghost. Yeah, it was an awesome day. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Till next time.